Swollen knees and aching joints aren't just signs of aging. They're clear signals that your body is losing collagen. Collagen is the key structural protein that keeps your legs, joints, and skin strong and flexible. But by the time you reach 65, your body produces less than half of the collagen it once did, and that loss affects every step you take. Here's what most people don't realize. You can restore collagen naturally through simple, everyday foods. Research shows that certain collagen-rich foods can do more than just slow joint damage. They can actually reduce inflammation, rebuild tissue, and cut swelling nearly in half in just 8 weeks. In this video, you'll discover the top 10 collagen-packed foods that help shrink swelling, restore flexibility, and bring back strength to your legs, ranked from good to absolutely game-changing. Stay with me until the end because the number 1 food has 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth, and most people have never even heard of it. It's been shown to boost joint fluid and skin elasticity by over 60%, with visible results in under a month. Before we dive in, drop your age in the comments. I read every single one. Now let's get started with food number 10. 1. Dark chocolate. It might sound too good to be true, but yes, dark chocolate can help your body heal. Not the sugary kind, but real dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao. According to Dr. William Li, a leading researcher on how food heals the body, dark chocolate is loaded with powerful plant compounds like flavonols and proanthocyanidins that support stem cell growth, lower inflammation, and even protect your DNA. The result? Stronger joints, better skin, and a more resilient body. Here's how to make it a collagen-boosting treat. Melt 1 ounce of dark chocolate gently, then stir in roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Let it chill until firm. The chocolate delivers antioxidants, almonds provide amino acids for collagen production, and goji berries add vitamin C to help your body use those nutrients effectively. It's a rich, satisfying snack that quietly works behind the scenes to reduce pain and protect your joints 1 bite at a time. 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Most people think of gelatin as that wobbly dessert from childhood, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods you can eat. Gelatin is basically collagen that's already been broken down into a form your body can absorb and use instantly. It's packed with amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks your body needs to repair tissue, strengthen cartilage, and keep your joints flexible. And here's the amazing part. In one study, people who took gelatin before exercising reported 37% less joint pain over time. That's not just a small improvement. That's the difference between struggling to move and feeling confident and mobile again. Making it at home couldn't be easier. Just warm up 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Cherry or pomegranate are great choices because they're full of antioxidants. Don't boil it, just warm it enough to steam. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of unflavored powdered gelatin until it's completely dissolved. Add a handful of berries or chopped nuts for extra nutrients and vitamin C, which helps your body actually use the collagen it's getting. Pour the mix into small molds or a dish, pop it in the fridge, and let it set. In a few hours, you'll have soft, chewy, collagen-rich bites that taste amazing and actively help your joints heal from the inside out. It's a simple, delicious snack and a small daily habit that can make a big difference in how your knees, hips, and joints feel every single day. 3. Chicken bone broth bites. Bone broth isn't just comfort food, it's real nourishment for your joints. When you simmer chicken bones slowly for hours, the collagen and amino acids inside like glycine and proline break down into a form your body can use to rebuild cartilage, repair tissues, and even calm inflammation. It's like feeding your joints exactly what they're missing. Making it is easy. Simmer leftover bones with vinegar, onions, celery, and carrots for about 8 hours. Once it cools, it'll gel, and that's the collagen magic right there. Sip half a cup a day, or chill it into small cubes for an easy daily boost. It helps smooth out that creaky, stiff feeling in your knees and hips. Over time, you'll notice better movement, less pain, and stronger legs. It's gentle, nourishing, and one of the simplest ways to care for your joints naturally. 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. Here's a refreshing way to boost collagen. Juicy cantaloupe with mint. Most people don't realize that vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. and cantaloupe is packed with it. Just 1 cup gives you about 2/3 of what you need for the whole day. To make this simple, healing snack, cube some ripe cantaloupe, squeeze on a bit of fresh lime juice, and toss it with chopped mint leaves and a handful of pistachios. The result? A sweet, hydrating, collagen-friendly snack that helps reduce stiffness and inflammation while keeping your joints flexible. The lime and mint add antioxidants and freshness, and the pistachios bring protein and healthy fats that nourish your tissues. This easy mix supports your skin, joints, and energy all at once. One small bowl a day can help you feel lighter on your feet and more comfortable as you move through your day. 5. Tomato caprese salad snack. Tomatoes might seem ordinary, but they're loaded with 2 joint-healing nutrients: vitamin C and lycopene. Vitamin C helps your body make new collagen, while lycopene protects the collagen you already have from breaking down. That means firmer skin, stronger joints, and less inflammation. To make a simple collagen-friendly snack, slice up a fresh tomato and layer it with mozzarella or avocado for a dairy-free version. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil, add fresh basil, and let the flavors blend. Olive oil helps your body absorb the lycopene more efficiently, making this not just delicious, but truly healing. Enjoy it as a light snack or side dish. Over time, you'll notice smoother movement, less stiffness, and healthier skin. It's proof that sometimes the simplest foods can make the biggest difference in how your body feels every day. 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava might just be one of nature's best-kept secrets for collagen support. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin C, far higher than oranges, and your body needs vitamin C to make collagen. Without it, your joints, skin, and even nerves can start to feel weak. To make a guava yogurt bowl, chop up some ripe guava and mix it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness, a squeeze of lime for extra vitamin C, and sprinkle on some chopped almonds or walnuts. This snack gives you the perfect mix of protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats to rebuild your collagen and repair tissue. It's light, creamy, and refreshing, but also deeply nourishing. Eating this regularly can help reduce stiffness, boost energy, and give your joints the support they need to stay strong and flexible. 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. If you want a quick collagen boost, reach for kiwi. Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day give your body more than enough vitamin C to kickstart collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm and your joints strong. Slice up a few kiwis and top them with toasted almonds or walnuts for crunch. For an extra flavor boost, sprinkle a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt. It enhances taste and can even help with circulation. This snack is more than refreshing. It supports digestion, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your nerves and joints in good shape. As we age, our bodies need all the help they can get to rebuild and stay flexible, and kiwi delivers exactly that. It's quick, simple, and gives your body a bright, tangy way to heal from the inside out. 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple isn't just tropical and delicious, it's loaded with a powerful enzyme called bromelain that helps your body fight inflammation and pain. Combined with vitamin C, it gives your joints and tissues the fuel they need to heal faster and stay strong. To make a simple collagen-supporting snack, cut up fresh pineapple chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon and fresh mint for extra flavor and even more anti-inflammatory power. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, while mint soothes digestion. This snack doesn't just taste amazing. It helps reduce stiffness, improves movement, and boosts overall comfort. A handful a day can make a noticeable difference in how your legs and joints feel. It's a bright, energizing way to stay mobile and pain-free naturally. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli might look humble, but for your joints, it's a total powerhouse. Just 1 cup of broccoli gives you nearly all the vitamin C your body needs in a day, and that vitamin C is the key ingredient for building collagen. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your joints, ligaments, and skin together. As we age, we produce less of it, leading to stiffness and swelling. But by eating broccoli regularly, steamed, roasted, or raw, you give your body the raw materials it needs to stay strong and flexible. Broccoli's antioxidants also fight inflammation, helping to reduce that achy, swollen feeling in your knees and ankles. It's a simple vegetable with big benefits. Add it to your meals daily, and over time, you'll notice better mobility, less pain, and stronger, healthier joints from the inside out. 10. Aloe vera. You might know aloe vera as the gel that soothes sunburns, but taken internally, it does something incredible for your collagen. Studies show that just a small daily dose of aloe vera can increase collagen levels deep within the skin and connective tissues, improving elasticity and flexibility. That same collagen also strengthens your joints, helping reduce stiffness and swelling in your legs and knees. Aloe vera helps your body retain moisture, stay hydrated, and repair itself naturally. You can add aloe vera juice to smoothies, mix it into water with lemon, or take it in supplement form. Over time, you'll notice softer skin, smoother movement, and stronger, more flexible joints. It's a gentle but powerful way to give your body what it needs to stay resilient and pain-free naturally from the inside out. So there you have it, 10 simple, natural foods that can help your body rebuild collagen, ease swelling, and bring strength and flexibility back to your legs and joints. The best part? You don't need fancy supplements or complicated routines. Real healing starts right in your kitchen with everyday foods that taste amazing and work quietly behind the scenes to restore what time has taken away. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your day: a bowl of guava yogurt in the morning, a handful of dark chocolate clusters after lunch, or a soothing cup of bone broth before bed. Over the weeks, you'll begin to feel it: less stiffness, better movement, and a little more energy in every step. Your body has an incredible ability to repair itself when you give it the right fuel. So eat well, stay consistent, and let these collagen-rich foods help you move with strength, comfort, and confidence at any age.